Hello everyone, welcome. For today's class, we are going to be needing a resistance band. It can be a loop band or it can be the ones that have got two ends. If you haven't got a resistance band, you can use a pair of tight leggings. And if you haven't got either, you could be doing this whole thing without anything. It will just require a bit more effort to maybe notice the movement, but that's perfectly fine. You can also do it. We are going to use the resistance band to exactly offer a bit of resistance, to work on our breathing, but also to give us some sensory information so we can sense the movement of the breath a little bit better. To begin with, we are going to start, just let the resistance band there, find a comfortable seated position, and we are going to remain the whole of the time in this position, so really try to make it as comfortable as possible. Relax your hands. You can be sat cross-legged or kneeling on a bolster on the floor. And then once you find it, relax your hands over your legs, grow tall up through the spine, close the eyes for a moment. And just for the first 3 rounds of your breath, notice the location of your breath. So where can you feel your breath moving? We tend to be a bit more aware of the front of our body. So maybe you feel it up on the chest or on the belly. And there's no need to modify anything just yet. Just notice. Good. And when you finish your third and last one, open the eyes if they were closed. Good. Grab your resistance band and wrap it really low on your belly. I'm going to try to not interfere with the mic. Find a knot that is not too tight, but that it's tight enough so the band wouldn't just like pop out. Good. All right. Okay, once you're there, relax the hands again. We're going to do 3 rounds of breath. The last one on the exhale, we're going to hold it. And we're going to repeat in 4 different parts, moving the band higher up. So let's go, grow tall. Good. So inhale, let the belly relax, breathe into the band, not only forwards, but also to the sides and towards the back. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the band moving away. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale fully. And then hold that exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Soft inhale. And release. Good. Okay, we're going to move the band a little bit higher up. More or less around the belly button, the navel. Good. Okay, once you find it, relax the arms. Now, remember to breathe in and out through the nose, trying to keep a really relaxed throat. And again, the intention is to expand the resistance band to all sides. So let's go, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale softly. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, we inhale. Exhale fully. And then hold your exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Soft inhale. And release. Good. Okay, let's move the resistance band a little bit higher up, more or less around the bra line, so underneath your breasts. Good. Once you're there, once more, relax the hands, grow tall up through the spine, and we go. Inhale. Exhale softly. Notice which part feels a bit better to perceive this whole movement. Inhale. Exhale. Remember to breathe into all sides of the resistance band. Last inhale. And as you exhale fully, we're going to hold that exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Soft inhale. And release. Good, okay. And the last one, we're gonna move the resistance band a little bit higher up or above your breasts. I have the mic there, let me see, interfere with it, good. Okay, once you find it, relax the arms and we go 3 rounds. Inhale, expand to all directions. Exhale. Inhale. Notice how you need to work a bit harder because you've got the resistance of the band. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale fully. And when you can't exhale anymore, just hold it there for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay. Remove the resistance band. Put it aside. All right. So throughout the next few movements, I want you to continue to have this intention of breathing into all sides of you, not just forwards, but also to the back and to the sides. Imagine you still have the resistance band wrapped around you. Good. Inhale. Sweep the arms up. Interlace the hands behind your head. Place it at the bottom of your skull and just let your head rest there. Inhale. Open the elbows out to the sides. Grow tall. Exhale. Side bend towards your right. Inhale. Chest forwards. Elbows towards the back. Keep the side bend. Exhale. Round the upper spine. Bring the elbows together. A little tuck on your chin. Inhale to spread chest forwards. Exhale as we round. Inhale, keeping the side bend, bring the elbows away from each other and then lengthen the arms out. Good. Inhale here. Exhale, pivot the chest towards the floor. Inhale, keep the side bend, come with the chest forwards. Exhale as you pivot the chest towards the ceiling. Inhale, bring the chest forwards, keep the arms away from each other. Exhale, pivot the chest towards the floor. Inhale, chest forwards. Keep the side bend. Exhale, pivot the chest to the ceiling. Inhale, back through center. Interlace the hands behind your head. Your chest is always forwards. And then come all the way up to stand. Grow tall on an inhale. On an exhale, we're going to find that side bend again towards the right. And we're going to try to do a ladder breath. So all the points that we have moved the resistance band, we're going to breathe into all of them one by one, always expanding to all sides of you. So first we inhale lower. The air goes a bit higher to the center. And then up to the chest. And then exhale, fully keep side bending. One more, inhale low. Middle. High. Exhale and bring your torso up. Grow tall on an inhale and on an exhale, round the spine. Relax the head down. Just let everything be floppy for a moment before we go to the other side. Good. And then round your spine all the way up. Good. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Interlace the hands behind your head. Again, rest your head against your hands. Open the elbows out to the sides. Inhale here to grow tall. Exhale as we side bend, this time to the left. Inhale, open towards the back, chest forwards. Exhale as we round the upper spine, bring the elbows forwards, a little round on the spine. Inhale, open the elbows away towards the back, chest forwards. Exhale as we round. Inhale, open the elbows away from each other, keep the side bend, lengthen the arms away. Good. Inhale here. Exhale, pivot the chest towards the floor. Inhale, chest forwards, arms stay away from each other. Exhale, pivot the chest to the ceiling. Notice what your eyes do. Inhale back through center. Exhale, pivot the chest to the floor. Inhale back through center. Arms still away from each other. Exhale, chest up. Inhale through center, chest forwards, interlace the hands behind your head, and then roll the spine all the way up. Good. Grow tall, inhale. Good, and then round the spine a little bit. Good. Okay, roll the spine up. Sweep the arms up, interlace the hands behind your head, and we're gonna try this ladder breath, but we're gonna side bend to the left this time. So inhale to grow tall. Exhale, side bend towards the left. Keep the chest always forwards. And we begin. We inhale first low. Move it up. Higher up. Exhale fully. One more. Inhale low. Higher up. Higher up. Exhale fully, and then start to come all the way through center, round the spine, tuck your chin. Just take a moment here. Inhale. Side it out. Good, and then roll the spine all the way up. Head over shoulders. Good job. And you have completed it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.